You are in the ground zero of the Industrial Revolution of the United States of America. We are here between Central Falls and Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and we're surrounded by 1 million square feet of red brick mill and a site that once was one of the largest thread manufacturers in the United States. And what we're seeing in some parts are falling down. Most interesting to me is that we're seeing one of the mills being revitalized today. A new factory owner has just come in and he's cleaning it up, and it is looking great. This place has got great possibilities.
This building was built in 1877. We're renovating this mill right now. This was the dye house that they would dye the yarn and the thread in. And this was the original dye room back in 1877. And we've poured 9 inches of cement flooring here. All of this entire complex is on the National Historical Society's record. They're trying to keep them as much as possible to the original character that they were built, as they were built.
The mills in Pawtucket were being destroyed. They were destroyed not necessarily by bulldozers, but by neglect. Fortunately, there were enough sturdy buildings left that were able to survive, and that's when I pretty much entered the scene and did whatever I could to save the old mills. I've been an artist all my life, but I did have a day job for many years, and that was running a design office. I had to convince the city to engage in this new effort to create work, live-in spaces in these old mills in Pawtucket. It took years to do it, but it was successful. This was the first building we were in. This mill actually was built in the early 1800s, and it was built as a paper mill. And now this entire area here is an artist compound. The world has changed so dramatically. These young artists, with their imagination and sense of industry, are coming to these mills. They love the mills.
I'm Chapman Bettis, and I'm the art director at Figments. We like to call ourselves a digital storytelling agency. With a lot of mills being renovated and redone, creative people move in first, and then companies start to move in. And then eventually bigger companies move in once they get comfortable with the fact that other companies are in those spaces too.
When I came here, I had a full-time internship. That experience lasted with me even until college. In fact, I'm choosing a marketing concentration now, I think because of my internship.
Pawtucket has a really cool history. Samuel Slater came over from England and built the first water-powered cotton mill. That's walking distance right down the road from us. So it's really cool to be in this space with the history of not only the building, but the history of being one of the first buildings that have been renovated and restored.
Community after community is recognizing the value of these places, and in most cases are trying to save them. The fact of the matter is that they are culturally embedded into our communities. They say what we are, and they can say what we're going to be as well.